Christmas here. Welcome back to another Lego video. Welcome back. Today we're making another race car. This time the race car we are making, I'm about to find out. Yes, I found out. The race car we're making isn't the race car. This is what we're making. We're making this. We're making a bulldozer. Yeah. I'm making a bulldozer. Yeah. We're making a bulldozer. Yeah. We're making a bulldozer. Yeah. So yeah, I'm really excited. So if you see my last video, the reason I'm not letting you make another video, not being in the video with me, but he earned it. He will be able to be in another video. Yeah, he might be coming. I hope he does, because I think you might. I think you might like him, but yeah. Well, let's get building it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Monster's taking over. Okay, that was actually just Ian's Lego mix.
Hey guys, we're back.
Yeah.
I'm back.
Here's our bulldozer. It's a bulldozer.
I was just eating lunch. All right.
Bulldozer. Yeah, I re-invited him because in my last video, you may have seen I said he's not allowed, but he's back allowed.
Yeah, because the video made it on the channel.
Because some of you guys may like him on here because it's kind of funny.
I am funny.
And now,
I don't have any.
oh guys, it's bulldozing you. You're not allowed in here. Okay, that was actually fun to see.
Yeah.
As you can see, you can move this up and down, and again, it comes with more of the traffic cones.
What? Give me this back.
More traffic cones! Yay!
I'm a magnet. There's my magnet.
Yay! Bye, guys. Okay, say your last words. Bye, bye.